Wait for it. Yeah. Hit. Yeah. Hit him again. Come in the front. Yeah. Come on, man. Just reel. Up your rod. Put up. Okay. Come on. Get out the net. Oh, nice.
Like hang. Net.
No, just be there.
Stay down.
Put your rod that side. Stop. Just use your rod. Okay. Reel. Put him there. Okay. Bring him back. Yes!